Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring power and a safe copy of your data. Plug the iPhone X into power or confirm battery is at least 50%, then back up to iCloud or to your Mac so you can restore if needed. Once your backup finishes, connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Updates can be large. Make sure you remember your Apple ID and password for verification. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to let the device check for the latest iOS. After the device finds the update, you'll see size and details, read them to understand new features and fixes. You then tap Download and Install. The download runs in the background while you can use the phone. Once downloaded, the installer will prepare the update and then prompt for installation. Accept and keep the phone connected to power and Wi-Fi. Monitor progress bars and occasional restarts. This is normal. If it asks for your passcode after restart, enter it to complete encryption and setup. When the update finishes, you'll land at the lock screen and then want to confirm success in Settings right arrow General, right arrow about to see the new iOS version. Make sure your apps update in the App Store and sign back into services that request reauthorization. If the update fails or gets stuck, reboot and try again. If that doesn't help, free at least 5 GB of storage and retry. Or connect your iPhone X to a Mac and update through Finder for a more controlled install.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.